Start melting 454 grams of butter. I have used grass-fed. If you can get that, amazing. If you can't, regular is fine also. What we're trying to do is get this up to a medium boil, and then all the milk solids, like you can see here, are coming up to the top. Keep this going, and then eventually they're going to sink down to the bottom. So I've turned the temperature up here now. We're starting to get that really nice golden color, and you can see all those milk solids. They're slowly starting to disappear right down to the bottom of your pan. When you start seeing bigger bubbles like this forming, that's when you know you are almost there. This has been going for about 11 minutes. So the pan that I've used is really thick bottom, so that really retains the heat. So I've just moved some of the milk solids there to the side. Now it's done for me. You can see it's just on a regular boil now, so I'm going to take it off at this point, and I'm just going to leave it and let it sit there. Let this rest for a couple of minutes, and now let's get ready to strain. So take your time, pass it through. The sieve is lined with a bit of kitchen paper that's going to catch any extra milk solids. And you can see the color of this ghee is unreal. Pass it through with your spoon from time to time. That would just help it go through a little bit quicker. Finish off the rest, and there you go. Look at this amazing homemade ghee. Absolutely amazing. Now the bottom of your pan will have all those milk solids like this. Now these leftovers are called mawa. You can use them in certain desserts, or if you don't like the look of them, you can get rid of them. So don't buy it, make it, friends. Amazing homemade ghee. As always, like, comment and subscribe. See you on the next one.